You've done it. You've completed the 5 modules of data warehouse concepts, design, and data integration. You've learned exciting concepts and skills for designing data warehouses and integrating data sources to populate and refresh a data warehouse. These concepts and skills are essential for a career as a data warehouse or business intelligence professional. You'll remember that this is the second course in our 5-course specialization of data warehousing for business intelligence. You've acquired a solid foundation for the other courses in the specialization. In the next course, you will learn about implementing a data warehouse using an enterprise database management system. You will learn exciting new concepts and skills for analytical query formulation, efficient management of summary data, and best practices for data governance and big data usage. After that, we'll move on to skills and concepts for business intelligence in Course 4. You will have an opportunity to understand how business professionals use data warehouses for business intelligence, and you'll practice building reporting and visualization functionality. All this leads up to a case study in the capstone course, in which we'll design and implement a small data warehouse, as well as create reporting and visualization tools. We think this stuff is cool and exciting. We know it will help you succeed and advance in your career, so keep up the good work. You can do it. See you in Course 3, Relational Database Support for Data Warehouses.